down.
Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chodia Fitness. This video is all about toning and losing your abdominal fats. In this video, I am going to show you 2 workouts for your upper abs, 2 for lowers and 2 for obliques. Also, you don't need any equipment, so let's just get started. We will start with leg raises. Place your hands below your hips, raise your upper body, and now raise your legs up till 45 degrees. Lift your legs before they touch the ground, which will maintain the tension in your abdominal muscles. Next, we will do alternate leg raises. In the same position, you have to raise your legs alternatively without touching them to the ground. Next is crunches. To make it more challenging, we will raise the legs perpendicular to the ground and then crunch. Make sure your legs are stable and you're breathing. Next is plank. Arms will be aligned with your shoulder. Your core will be tightened and you will not bend your knees. Hips will not rise too high or too low. Come on, tighten that core and breathe. Push yourself harder. If you're a beginner, you can do this for 30 seconds and rest for 30 seconds. Repeat this for 3 times. For ankle taps, take a hip distance between your legs and touch your ankle, bending your oblique muscle. This is a very good workout for your love handles. For the next workout, you have to stand up and take a shoulder stance between your legs and twist your upper body, drawing your hands on the opposite direction. So as we are done with the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. You can let me know in the comment box which video you will like to see next. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, stay happy and stay fit.